Imagine a door that opens once a year, a door to endless mercy, boundless blessings, and unimaginable rewards. That door is Ramadan, and as it approaches, a question echoes in our hearts. Will this Ramadan change us? Ramadan is not just about fasting. It's about reconnecting with Allah, with ourselves, with the purpose of our existence. Every heartbeat, every sujood, every tear shed in du'a, this is the love story between us and our Creator. But how do we truly make this Ramadan different? That's where our Ramadan series comes in. We'll unlock powerful reflections, timeless wisdom, and practical steps to make this Ramadan life changing. So, are you ready to embrace the beauty of Ramadan like never before? Subscribe to Imanify now and join us on this transformative journey, because this Ramadan could be the one that changes everything.